2 plus 2 gives us 4, and 5 times 4 is equal to 20, and 100 divided by 20 gives us 5. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write here, PEMDAS. So according to this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So the first thing to solve in parenthesis in equation is parenthesis, right? It is priority number 1, and after we solve the parenthesis, we are going to move to exponent. It is priority number 2, and then after we solve exponent, we are allowed to move to multiplication or division. It is priority number 3, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction, and it is priority number 4. Here is where most people get lost. They think multiplication has higher priority than division. More than half of the people think that, but that is actually wrong, and it doesn't just follow the right order of operation. Instead, multiplication or division have equal priority, right? They are priority number 3, and we are going to solve these problems left to right. So if we have, for example, 10 divided by 2 times 5, we are going to divide first and multiply. Not because division has higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes first. And since they both have equal priority, we have to do the problem left to right, and we have to solve the problem whichever comes first. So that is how we solve for multiplication or division. And this rule is applied to addition or subtraction, right? It is the same for addition or subtraction. Addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Their priority is below multiplication or division. They are priority number 4. So keep that in mind as well. And let's get into the problem. So let's solve the problem together. So in this problem, we have parentheses, addition inside the parentheses, multiplication, and division. So according to the rule, we have to do the parentheses, and then we are going to do left to right, because we are going to have division and multiplication. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4, and the problem becomes 100 divided by 5 times 4. And now we are going to do the division, right? Because they both have equal priority, and we are going to do them left to right. So 100 divided by 5 gives us 20, and 20 times 4 is equal to 80. And the final answer to this question is 80.